In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a printer to your Android phone. We will walk through the most common and reliable method, connecting over Wi-Fi. Before we begin, make sure your phone and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Many home printers only work on 2.4 GHz networks. So if your router has multiple bands, confirm your phone is on the same one the printer uses. Also, ensure the printer is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Most models show a solid wireless light or an icon on the screen when they're online. On your Android phone, open Settings depending on your device, go to Connections or Connected Devices, then More Connection Settings, and choose Printing. Here, you will see Default Print Service. Toggle it on. This built-in service lets Android discover compatible printers on your network and handle basic print jobs without much setup. Give it a few seconds, many printers will appear automatically once this is enabled. If your printer doesn't show up, tap Add Service. This takes you to the Google Play Store where you can install the official print plugin for your printer's brand. Using the correct plugin helps with better compatibility, more options, and more reliable discovery. After installation, return to the printing settings to confirm the plugin is enabled. With the plugin active and both devices on the same Wi-Fi, your printer should now appear in the available list. When you are ready to print, open the document, photo, email, or web page you want to print. Tap the three dots, sometimes called the menu, or use the share icon and select Print. On the print preview screen, tap the printer name at the top and choose your printer from the list. Take a moment to review the preview and options. You can usually adjust color or black and white, paper size, orientation, and the number of copies. These options vary by printer and plugin, but the basics are always there. When everything looks good, tap the print icon to send your job. If you still don't see your printer, double-check that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and that the printer isn't in sleep mode. Sometimes it takes a brief moment for the device list to refresh after enabling services or installing a plugin. That's it. Thanks for watching.